Man, how did they do that out of a cow like that? That must be a special cow. Yeah, you did. I think your left eye or right eye's going out. Where? Uh-huh. I don't have any. It's all at home. Yeah, I put it in the fridge. No. No. It's going to be warming up pretty soon. I can grab it when I go to work and it'll be nice and cold. You should. Roxanne. Roxanne. So you don't work next Saturday, huh? Damn. How'd you get out of that? So who's doing it? He's kind of like, come on, Mike, you know that you work. Come on, Mike. He's got to come on, Mike, you know. There's a Brahms. Get ice cream. There's a Taco Bell. I get the shits. Can I get a grande burrito? Can I get a Guccio gyro? Oh shit. Oh shit. Go, go, go. Come on. You go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Don't you fucking hit me, motherfucker. He wasn't gonna fucking use the middle lane. He was gonna go straight to the fucking lane. Motherfucker. You gotta pay the ticket. You get caught. Yeah, I'm gonna call on you. Oh, look at that, 2 A's. Man, I guess I should have took those if they don't fucking use them. Man, there's nothing. There's nothing.